Hi guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a contact sheet using Adobe Lightroom. So the first thing you're going to notice is that on my desktop here I have both my memory card plugged into my computer and my flash drive. If you have not previously watched my video on how to store and organize your images, if you'd please watch that first, I'd appreciate it. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up both the flash drive and the memory card. And all I'm going to do is transfer over the images that I've taken into the appropriate folder. So the photos that I've taken are for visual journals for school. So when I open up Lightroom, I'm going to click on my school folder and then visual journal folder. And clicking on the background, I'm just going to drag and then I select all of them and then drag and drop them into the other window. It just takes a couple of seconds, and now my images are on my flash drive. Okay, and now that that process is done, you have to do that first. You're going to go to Lightroom, to Library, and you're going to click Import. We need to locate those images. So they're in the folder, remember, on my flash drive. Okay, so they're popping up right away, but I still want to show you guys this. We're going to click on the Lightroom folder, School, Visual Journals. And those are the exact ones that I want. And then all I'm going to do is hit the import button. And now you can see them showing up. So now they're in Lightroom. If I wanted to make any edits, I would do that now. Preferably when I have my students do this, I have them make the contact sheet before making any adjustments or edits, so that we know which ones we should go back to and actually edit. So in the upper right hand corner is the print tab. You're going to click on that. Oh, you can see I already have the template selected. On the left hand side is this drop down menu for template browser. And under the Lightroom templates, as you can see here, is one called the 4x5 contact sheet. I prefer that one over the 5x8 because the images show up just a little bit bigger. Now you're going to notice that my image, there's only one of them. So to select more than one, all I'm going to do is hold the Shift button and select all. And now you can see the images that I've taken. If there are more than what's on this page, it's just going to make multiple pages. One of the things that I always tell my students is that you want down here the file name to show up. So always double check that in the menu, it's going to be under the page drop-down menu, is going to be one called Photo Info. You want to make sure that that checkbox is on, and then it's set to file name, and then the file name will show up. The last step is we can either print this, or I have my students save a digital copy of this. So I have them choose printer ... and that opens up the printer dialog box. And then students don't have to worry about anything except for this little button in the lower left-hand corner. When you select it, the second option is to save as a PDF. So all I do is I title it with what I was taking images of. So this time it was a visual journal. And then I usually try to choose the same location that I took the images, and this time I'm just going to save it on my flash drive. Progress bar is in the upper left-hand corner. It is now done. And to check it, all I'm going to do is go into my flash drive. Here's a PDF. And here is my document, my contact sheet. So that is how you make a contact sheet.